So when you get on the Disney Wish, it's a little overwhelming at first because you don't know where anything's at. So I'm going to show you how to navigate to the pool, and if you want to go take the AquaMouse, how to get on there. So you enter here into the Grand Hall. So you're gonna head this way. So we just passed 1923. That'll be one of your rotational dining. So let's take the elevator up. You're gonna go to deck 11.
Doors closing.
So, Marceline's Market is the buffet. So if you want to go straight to the buffet, you're going to go down this hallway to the buffet. Here's Dory's Forget-Me-Nots, one of the shops. And here is the pool area. So if you go straight down this hallway, you'll find the food. There's pizza, there's a cantina, ice cream, soft drinks. So you can find a seat down here.
So you were just like doing
Or you can find a seat up here, which is what we did. We sat over here, went and changed in the bathroom, and then went straight up these stairs to the AquaMouse. So right now the wait time is 5 minutes, so we are on Castaway Cay Day, so I guess the wait isn't too long.
You know what? Pretty much all predators and Zootopia is protocol.
Your father does have a point there. It's in their biology. Remember what happened with Gideon Gray? When I was 9, Gideon Gray was a jerk who happens to be a fox. I know plenty of funny.
Sure, yeah, we all do, actually. But just in case, we made you a little care package to take with you.
There's snacks in there.
This is Swamp Insurance. This is Swamp Hotel. Check this out.
Coffee, drinks. So this is where we filled up our water. And here's the Festival of Foods. We have the cantina. Build your own burritos, tacos, and bowls. Here's the pizza. Here's the smokestack, which is barbecue. And here's Goofy's Grill, that has burgers and chicken tenders. And lastly is the ice cream.